CS50 Python final project presentation about Canny edge detector from scratch by Avod Patel in Austin, Texas, USA. The background of an image. An image is made up of multiple pixels and each pixel has a red, green, and blue value. I converted the image you see here into a grayscale by multiplying each pixel's red, green, and blue values by the corresponding number to equal a value between 0 and 255. This resulted in the image you see on the right. From there, I took the input image that you saw previously and padded the perimeter of the image by zeros twice and multiplied a 5 by 5 matrix of the image by a 5 by 5 image of a filter, and specifically a Gaussian filter, to result in the image you see on the right. This would allow the noise to be reduced by summing up a much larger region, reducing the effects of outliers. From there, I applied non-max suppression, where a current value would look at its neighbors, whether in the left or right, top or bottom, or diagonals in terms of northwest, southeast, or southwest and northeast. And then, based on the values of the current value and its neighbors, if the current value was not higher in terms of value to its neighbors, it would result in that value being set to 0. From there, I then went on to apply double thresholding to improve the process of reducing noise and background information by applying a low and high value thresholds to incorporate the ability to check if the pixel itself was within a certain threshold between low and high to be set to a low value. If it was below the low threshold, then it would be set to 0, and if it was above the high threshold, it would stay the value it currently was. From there, I applied edge tracking, which looked at the specific current pixels and its 8 neighbors, and based on if any of the 8 neighbors were above the high threshold, it would keep the current pixels values. However, if this current pixel didn't have neighbors with values higher than the high threshold, that corresponding pixel's value would be set to 0. That is my CS50 Python final project presentation. Thank you for watching and viewing. Have a great day. Bye.